Hello, in this video I will discuss how to start Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda Navigator. So in last video we installed Anaconda Navigator. So I'll start Anaconda Navigator and from there we'll run Jupyter Notebook. It will take some time. Here you can see it is starting. So here you can see Jupyter Notebook is there. I already installed it, so now I'll start launch. You can see here the Jupyter Notebook is starting. It's not starting. The problem is coming because in our Windows subsystem for Linux we didn't install any browser. So first we will install Google Chrome in our Windows subsystem for Linux. I will start another terminal. And here I have listed few dependencies to be installed for Google Chrome. First I will install and the next step is to download the software from Google Chrome website, and here you can see this file I downloaded directly from the Google Chrome web page, and I stored that in the root directory of our Windows subsystem for Linux. And to find the root directory you have to run Explorer. So this is our root directory, and you can simply download from the Google Chrome website and simply paste it in this directory, and the Next step is to run this command. So before its installation, I will close the Anaconda Navigator and I will restart the Anaconda Navigator. So once it will be installed, once again I will restart Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time. And the Google Chrome is successfully installed. Now once again I'll start Anaconda Navigator. So now I'll start Jupyter Notebook. And here you can see Jupyter notebook is started, and from here, for running Python scripts, you have to click on new. Here you have to click on new and Python 3. So here new Jupyter notebook is started, and we'll test some. Here you can see Jupyter notebook is successfully installed in Anaconda Navigator, and we are able to run Python scripts. So in this video I discussed how to start Jupyter notebook within Anaconda Navigator, and for doing that we installed Google Chrome in Windows subsystem for Linux in Ubuntu 22.04. So that's all. Thank you.